I'll get bombarded in there. Oi! Don't do that to her. Go on, Dolly. The Colombians, the leg feather always seems to take a lot longer to come through. As you look at that one. If you look at this one, not this one, that one, the leg feathers come through. Isn't it, Dolly? She's absolutely stunning. Hey, Dolly. Good leg feather coming through. There's a cable tire stuck on. She's about 8 weeks old. Yeah, there's a girl. Ooh. Okay, Mama. Remember Mama? That was her baby. This isn't in here for heat. This is just in here just for a bit of light because it's dark under there. So. Hi guys. Let's see how the call looks today. Now, he's minding the two girls against the two white drakes you've seen over there in the pen at the back. But they're not going to come anywhere near because I put them in a pen so don't disturb me. Here he is. There's baby Bonnie. And this is... Oh, he's Bonnie. Little Bonnie. She's sniffing at me now, she don't like that. She'll start pecking at me soon. Yeah. Oh, she knows I'm not going to hurt her. Come out the way, you. Come out the way. Alright, go on. And Mama? Mama and Baba's? Some fresh water. These are still running around with the bread. Come on, you three. for me a cockerel. Come on, darling. Shake. She's late. What's wrong, doll? What's wrong, darling? See, Chuggy Eggs? I'm taking a mic. We've got loads. There's one there as well. Making sure there's no more hidden. There is actually 6. Go back, doll. You can go back now. Come on. Go back now. Wrong, doll. Oh, oh. Let's have a look. How many have you got? Nice big clutch. Okay, I won't bother you. Okay, strong. Wrong, Axel. Two spare waters and feeders. Come on, mate. He's lovely, this one. Come here, you. Come here. Come here. She's stunning. Stay, you scruff. What are you doing? What are you doing? Wait! Oh, look at him. He's lovely. He's 11-week-old, that one. Right, that's it. 9 minutes. Too long of a video otherwise. Catch you later, guys. Cheers for watching.